Boys and girls, today we are going to draw a quick picture and record two-digit addition using the standard algorithms. We're going to stack and add again today. Okay, listen to this story. Mr. Riley's class collected 54 cans for the food drive. Mrs. Bright's class collected 35 cans. How many cans did the two classes collect? All right, you guys help me out. I'm going to use this division line, but I'm going to still do the math, stacking and adding. How do I write, or what is the first thing that I do? Grayson?
Stack and add.
Okay, so which number am I going to do first? Do you remember the word?
54.
Miss Bradley's class collected
54.
54 cans. I'm going to put a 5 on the tens place because that is the tens on that side. And I'm going to put a 4 on this side. It's still 54, but I'm just showing that the 5 is a 10 and the 4 is a 1. Okay? Then Miss Bright's class collected 35 cans. So what do I do now? Isaac? Under the 5, on the 10s, under the 5, and 5 under the 4 on the one side. Okay. Then you all need to put a line below it. Put a line below it. Put a plus sign before the 35. Okay. Now Kinley?
Add the 1.
Add the ones. 5 plus 4. What is 5 plus 4, Landon? 9. And then we do what, Xander?
Add the 10.
Which is 5 plus 3. And what is 5 plus 3, Ivan?
8.
8. What is our new number?
89.
89. What is the label for this? What do they do? 89 what, Kason? I know, but what are we talking about? There's 89 what? We said the class was collecting what? No, not counters. C-A-N-S. What is that word? Miss Riley's class collected 54 what? So what is the label? Cans. 89 cans. We just have to put labels all the time in 3rd grade, so you make sure you do it now in 2nd grade too sometimes. Okay? Alright. A lot of times they do it for you, but... Okay, was there any regrouping in that problem? Did you have to put a 1 on the 10 side? Nope, there was no regrouping on that. Okay? Alright. Let's do the next one. Model and draw on the back side. Nice, please stop. Okay, it says, trace over the quick pictures in the steps. Okay. They have these numbers stacked and added down here. We're adding 37 plus 26. So let's add the ones. 37 plus 26, 7 plus 6 equals what, everybody? 7 plus 6. Oh, sorry, I said 37 plus 6, didn't I? 7 plus 6 for the ones side. Guys? 13. So how do I do that? How do I write 13? So I can't just write 13 on the ones. What do I have to do?
Add a 1.
On top of. Okay, but we have. But where do I put the first number? 3 doesn't go on top.
The 3 on the bottom.
Yeah. Look at this. Look at step 2. 3 goes under the ones, because guys, when you write 13, look up here. When you write 13, the 3 is in the ones place. The 1 is in the tens. So you have to put the 3 in the ones place. And you put the 1 over here in the tens. Understand? Okay. And then you add this next, go to this next side over here. Now they're adding, they already put the 3 on there for you. Add 1 plus 3 plus 2. 3 plus 1 is what? Everybody? Plus 2 more is 6. So what is 37 plus 26? Are you ready?
6.
37 plus 26 is not 6.
63.
63. Both of these numbers are 63. Okay. Now we're going to do, guys, this is basically what we did yesterday, right? Or not yesterday, but Friday. How many of you remember this? Okay, actually, this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to put a practice problem up here. Okay? Let's see. Okay. 17 plus 64. What do we do? What is the first step, Lena?
Add the ones.
Add the ones. Over here on this side, on the right side. Add the ones. What two numbers am I adding if I'm adding the ones, Grayson?
7 and 4.
7 plus 4. What is 7 plus 4, Kaysen? 11. If I'm writing the number 11, I have a 1 in the ones place and a 1 in the tens place. Guys, if you have to do this and write the number to remember which one to go where, please do. It's okay to write the 1 and then say ones and tens. So now you know that the first one goes down here in the ones. The second one goes up here on the other one. Here, let me change the color. The second one, so here's the first one, here's the second one on 11. So now you're adding 6 plus 1 plus 1. What is it? 6. One more is?
7.
One more is 8. So what's that answer? 81. Okay, you're going to get a partner and do the share and show.